2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, power side view mirrors. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.